Hello and you're welcome to the edition of the 3-day weather forecast from the Nigerian Meteorological Agency. I am onyilo Desmond. From this satellite imagery, we have this yellowish-brown coloration over the northern part of the country, indicating dryness over this region as the bulk of our rains have moved southwards and over parts of the central states. This dryness also brings some haziness over the northern part, as indicated from our reports emanating from Katsina today, where the horizontal visibility was around 8 kilometers. This dryness and haziness will persist for the rest of Monday. We've got some low clouds over the eastern flank of the country. It doesn't cost much, but we expect these to gradually build and give prospects of thunderstorms over parts of the northeast, the central states, the western flank, and the southern states for Monday evening. And this rain should come towards the late wee hours of Monday. For temperatures, they are still within their lower and mid 30s, especially about the northern part of the country, even though this temperature may feel slightly higher than the values given here. And so as we get into Tuesday morning, we expect the rains from the late Monday night to linger, giving us prospects of thunderstorms over much of the central states, including parts of the northeastern part of the country. The southeast also have prospects of thunderstorms in the morning, including the southwestern part of the country, even though the prospects for the southwest is slightly slimmer compared to what we expect over the southeast. As we progress into the afternoon of Tuesday, we expect the rains over the central states to thin out and be mostly cloudy over this region, but we expect the rains over the southeast to hold steady, and that over the southwest should increase in intensity, giving them prospects of some good rains and possible cases of flash flooding to the southeastern part of the country. For the northeast, we expect it to still be open and sunny, but more sunny and hazy towards the northwest, actually, as we have a slight pull-up in our ITD, bringing up some moisture that should extend to parts of the northeast, and so the northeast should be slightly more cloudy than what we had for Monday. For temperatures over the north, we expect it to push up slightly, increasing the discomfort heat-wise, because over there we have clear skies, open skies, more sunshine, and more intensity in the heat expected over the temperatures down south should reduce slightly with the consistent rains that we should be having over the southern and parts of the central cities. And as we get into Wednesday, the third day, we expect more rains. This day looks like a rainy day for most parts of the country, not just the southern part of Nigeria, but including the central parts, and we expect the rains to start off right from the morning hours. We should see rains from the morning hours over the central states, rains from morning hours over the southeastern part of the country, rains from the morning hours over the southwestern part of the country. We expect these rains, they may be of varying intensities, but of higher intensities to the central states and the southeastern part of the country. As we progress into the day, getting into the afternoon, so to speak, we expect these rains to hold steady. Now, this rain should come with a lot of energy, and so we expect strong winds. We expect we expect lightning. We expect thunderbolts. We expect it to be packed with lots of energy, and also there are prospects of flash flooding, especially over the southeastern part of the country. We've always warned, and we still warn again, please avoid wading or driving through surface runoff waters. They may look innocent, but they actually carry a lot of powerful current underneath. Try not to wade across a stream, no matter how shallow or how small you think it is. At this time, please avoid any water body. There could be disastrous. And towards the north, for this day, interestingly, we hope to see some rains pushing up to parts of southern Borno State and even Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State. This rain should push to parts of Kano, also Bauchi, Gombe. But for the northwest, we expect dryness to still persist for Wednesday. And that's the outlook for Wednesday. And then for the temperatures for Wednesday, we expect temperatures not to shoot up that much, as we should have more cloud buildup over the northern part of the country and over the central and southern states. Temperature should actually reduce with the intensity of rains that we expect over the south and over the central states. And that's the forecast from here. Please do stay safe and see you again.